Join us in this featured garage vlog where the V8 swapped Supra drift build undergoes further torture with the angle grinder. More metal will be removed and reinforcements will be called in. Later, we set forth on mounting up one big-ass radiator so the LM7 won't lose its cool on track. So get your beer, get your popcorn, and enjoy another episode of the V8 swapped Supra drift build!
Starting off today's episode, we will be working on removing metal from the engine bay, so that we can maximize steering angle. The Funo auto-tuning angle kit provides so much angle that the wheels intrude into the forwardmost parts of the wheel well. This is nothing a little bit of time behind an angle grinder can't fix. With enough metal removed, the wheels will now clear the vehicle lock to lock. Now it's just a matter of cleaning things up before we add reinforcement to the strut towers. I now need to add some sort of structural rigidity to the strut towers by tying them in with the frame rails. Using 1/8" steel plate, I'll contour a base to the strut tower for the tube to mount to.
Give your whole family a good hot meal with meat. Tasty pasta pies with meat. Mmm. 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 Give your whole family a good hot meal with meat.
it's time to clean up some metal so we can weld it in. I eventually ran out of shielding gas and had to wait until the next day to complete the welding. With the strut towers reinforced, we can begin work on mounting the radiator.
But now we're under a hurricane watch and everyone is already freaking out. I gotta go buy gas and hurricane beer.
Well, that's all for this episode. Be sure to check out featuredgarage.com for rad grassroots automotive articles. You can catch us around the web at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time.
Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always